Ever feel like your gaming setup just isn't cutting it? Maybe you're missing that one key element that would totally transform your experience. What if I told you the KTC 24-inch curved gaming monitor could be that game changer? Let's dive in and see if it lives up to the hype. Now, let's to the unboxing. Once we open the box, we find the essentials: HDMI 2.0 cable, a warranty card, some documentation, and even a handy screwdriver. There's also the power adapter and a sturdy metal base to keep everything stable. And of course, the highlight of the package, the KTC 24-inch curved gaming monitor. This isn't your average monitor. It's specifically designed for gamers, featuring a 165 Hz refresh rate and a 1500R curvature to provide the best possible experience. If you're serious about gaming, you'll need a monitor that can keep pace, and this one promises just that. Thanks to FreeSync technology, you can expect a smooth, tear-free gaming experience that can handle the fastest action without hiccups. Say goodbye to screen tearing or stuttering that disrupts your gameplay. When it comes to connectivity, the KTC monitor has all bases covered. Whether you're playing on a PC, Xbox, or even a laptop, you have multiple options available: 2 HDMI ports, a DisplayPort, a DC input, and an earphone jack. Plus, it's VESA mount compatible, letting you set it up in any arrangement you desire. For added comfort, it features tilt adjustments from -5 degrees to -20 degrees, enabling you to find that ideal position for hours of seamless gaming. The slimmer bezels are a nice bonus as well, providing more screen real estate to immerse yourself in. Additionally, the build quality feels top-notch, meaning this monitor isn't just a high performer, it's also built to endure. I connected this monitor to my Xbox, and I must say, it surpassed my expectations. I played several intensive games, and the performance was exceptional. No lag, no screen tearing, just smooth, fluid gameplay. With a lightning-fast 1 millisecond response time and the impressive 165 Hz refresh rate, you'll experience incredibly smooth motion with zero blur or ghosting. Just rapid, responsive gameplay. The 1500R curvature also pulls you into the action, offering a more immersive experience. It may be subtle, but it makes a noticeable difference, making you feel like you're right in the game rather than just observing from a flat screen. Let's discuss comfort for a moment. We all know that long gaming sessions can strain your eyes, but with this monitor, that's not a concern. It comes equipped with flicker-free technology and minimizes blue light, allowing you to play for extended periods without experiencing eye fatigue. With a 110% sRGB color gamut and HDR10 support, you'll enjoy more than 1.6 billion colors. This means each game you dive into will be vibrant and clear, showcasing everything from bright highlights to rich shadows. In conclusion, if you're on the hunt for a 24-inch gaming monitor featuring a 165 Hz refresh rate, a 1500R curve, FreeSync technology, and vivid, eye-friendly visuals, the KTC 24-inch curved gaming monitor is definitely worth considering. It's not just about aesthetics, it's about performance and comfort, giving you the advantage you need for both casual and competitive gaming. So, what do you think? Are you ready to elevate your gaming setup with this monitor? Share your thoughts in the comments below. And don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe if you're interested in more tech reviews like this one. See you in the next video.